Okay. Good morning. I woke up like 10 minutes ago and I received an email to finally try MOJO. So, coffee and let's do this. I really hope this is not going to be a fucking notebook crap on their server. Like, they cherry pick the example, they hype us with the professor, and they have a whitelist. Not a good way to do things with software engineers. Not a good way. Let's do this. Okay. No, it's Jupyter Lab. The worst thing ever invented by humans, Jupyter Lab. Why? Modular, tell me why. So you hype us, you show us some cherry pick specific example. You pay influencer to hype us. Who fucking does that in software? Come on. And then you have a whitelist treating us like we are some dumb peasants, we can't, who cannot run their own code on their machines. And now you don't give me something I can run on my machine and see if it is faster on my hardware. You give me something, I run it on your servers, right? Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, I remember I can run some Python, right? So I can say, I don't know. So let's system, come on English. Let's say Jovian. Yeah, so can I like print a, yeah. Okay, so I mean, I guess you can run this, right? And do stuff, I guess. But I don't really care. Like, maybe I'm gonna have a read because I think they were talking about so interesting system programming stuff. But this looks like interesting child between Python, Rust, and JavaScript. So yeah. Then you have other examples here. Blah 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 blah. Here you can see you can import stuff. Well, what is the point of this, right? Why I can't run my own code? Why I have to use this crap? Why I need to use this? Yeah, this is, I think, was the benchmark that they were showing us. Like, yeah. I mean, okay. I mean, that's like the slowest thing that you can do in Python. GG, okay, GG. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is bullshit. So yeah, I guess we all know where this is going. Where is purging? MOJO. And purging is a shitty extension that I wrote for LinkedIn. You add a word, I will remove all the posts about that word in your feed. So it was a pleasure. I am sure this is something good, exciting, etc., done by very smart people, but I want to run it on my machine. Otherwise, I don't care, right? I don't care if it is faster on your server. I don't know what you have on your server. The example I cherry pick, right? It's clearly something that is not working in real life. Otherwise, why you're not releasing the code? And this is not how you do things. This is how big fucking corporation like Apple does things. Oh my God, guys, I'm sorry. I'm lagging today. I'm tired. So yeah, this is how big closed source corporation does things. This is not how you win on engineers. Where is the open sourceness? Where is the code? Why can I run it? Why I need to fucking subscribe to a whitelist so you can steal my data and you can know who I am so you can target me later? RDEF, GG, VP by them. Yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye, ciao.